You can order the cabin air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Turn your engine off and set the parking brake. To gain access to your cabin air filter, you need to remove the lower trim panel from the dashboard. To do this, simply pull on it. You now have access to the cover of the cabin air filter flange. Lift the cover retaining tab. Then remove it. Then pull on the cabin air filter to remove it. Hey, it's Alex from CarParts.com. If you enjoy this video and want to support us, like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, back to work. Before putting the new filter in place, it is important to clean out any impurities or leaves stuck in the filter compartment. You can order the cabin air filter used in the video on CarParts.com via the link in the description. Take the new filter. Pay attention to the direction of airflow. The arrows on the filter should point to the rear of the vehicle. Place the filter in its slot. Put the cover back in place, making sure the upper pin is correctly positioned in its slot. Next, clip the cover tab back on. Put the trim panel back in place. Then press on it to put it back in place. Operation complete.